Storing your Colorfil filters might seem simple, but doing it wrong can shorten their life and impact their performance. So what's the right way to store your Colorfil filters? The technology in a Colorfil filter is sensitive to air. For this reason, we always encourage our customers to store their filters inside the plastic bag that they arrive in. Make sure the bag is sealed tight. Place it in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. A closet or a pantry shelf is perfect. For an extra layer of protection, we recommend keeping the original shipping box to store your filters while they're in the plastic bag. This step ensures the filter maintains its entire lifespan and is ready to go when you need it. Following these storage tips is key to maximizing performance from your filters. It ensures the color change technology stays fresh and fully functional, so you can count on it to give you an accurate read on your air quality and inform you when to swap them out. Your diligence in storing them properly will pay off with fresh, clean air. Now that you know how to store your filters, it's the perfect time to stock up. Head to our website, colorfil.com, to order your next Colorfil filter and enjoy clean air all year long. Stay fresh with Colorfil.